Now, Dr. Diesel, speaking of awards and speaking of Radio City Music Hall, there are going to be the Tonys here this Sunday. And there'll be a lot of big names on stage, but nobody compared to our Hunter winners, a pair of students who came out on top in the most selective academic competitions. Victoria Di Tommaso, a Hunter Macaulay student with a 3.8 GPA, won the Fulbright Research Grant, a highly selective award that will take her to Germany to do research on failed stars. That's a thing. But this award that Victoria gets is the opposite of a failed star. After her Fulbright, our Victoria will go on to get her PhD in astrophysics at Harvard. Yes, our own rocket scientist. Congratulations, Victoria. And speaking of stars, Victoria's very dear friend, Tamara Jean, is celebrating too. Tamara's parents came here from Haiti, searching for the American dream. Her father got a job as a janitor at the synagogue in Old Mill Basin, a synagogue that still lets her church worship there on Sundays. While Tamara never doubted she'd go to college, she had no idea how she'd manage to get there or where she'd go. When she got to Hunter, the world opened up to her in areas as diverse as political science, media, and gender studies. And in January, Tamara Jean became the first student in Hunter's 148-year history to win the Rhodes Scholarship. This is a scholarship that Tamara Jean never even heard of, which is on a continent she's never been to. More than 2,500 students apply for the Rhodes, but each year only 32 win it. Over the years, this group has included Rachel Maddow and Bill Clinton, and now it will include our own Tamara, who has already been interviewed with Bill Gates. Next year, Tamara will take her very first trip across the Atlantic to study political science on the full Rhodes Scholarship to the oldest and most prestigious university in the English-speaking world, Oxford. Let's hear it for Tamara Jean.